on your team, right? That guy on the team.
Coach is like, Kevin, stop looking at your fingers.
Stop playing with your fingers.
Stop playing with your fingers.
It was really upsetting.
Stop videotaping us.
What the heck? Don't say heck. That's not a nice word. Well, what do I say? What the?
No, heck isn't right.
I don't know. Where I come from, you say Jiminy Cricket. You don't swear ever.
Jiminy Cricket.
Where do you come from? Like backwards?
I don't swear. There is no swearing. Are you sure?
Are you from Disney World?
Jacob, your mother never says a swear word.
Shoot.
Jacob, your mother never uses foul language, correct? Yes or no?
Incorrect.
What do we mean by foul?
Incorrect.
Ever hear Mom say anything? Besides Jiminy Crickets?
Let's come. Where are we going?
You always want to go.
Do not put this on YouTube. Do not put this on YouTube. Do not put this.
Is he like posing for his, in case his wife
That is a sweet spot.
drives by? I'm working. I'm working.
Up there.
See me right out the window. Just driving down Main Street. Look at me. Look at me. I'm on my computer and I'm working. Oh, and I'm talking to a guy. I actually have a client in here, and he's on his computer, and we're working.
Oh my
His
God.
foot is not on my leg.
Anything to say?
I'm gonna pee myself. Thank you. We're making a documentary of how adults should act, not inebriated
Get all that-
at all,
It's gonna stop.
in front of their children. Right straight ahead. I love your posture, Jacob. I love your posture. Jacob has the best posture. Luke, stop shivering.
Now we're at the gelato shop.
You didn't really say that, did you?
Indeed, I did.
Indeed, I did. He's like, I'm in the gelato. Now we're at the gelato shop.
I'm gonna act like a weird person here, but I pick up.
Peeps.